In this video, I will show you how to use the word prediction option in Kurzweil 3000. First, have a blank or existing document that you are using for writing open in Kurzweil. To create a new blank document, go up to Write, go to New, scroll down to Draft, and then click on Blank. Then, go to the top of the Kurzweil screen. Click on Tools and scroll down until you get to the Word Prediction option. Click on Word Prediction. A window will then open called Word Prediction. Now just start to type in your document. As you type, suggestions of the word will show up in the Word Prediction window. I will show you an example. I'm going to start to type the word friend. In the Word Prediction window, the word friend shows up. If you'd like to use this word in your document, you click the number to the left of the word that you'd like to use. That word is then added to your document. To turn off the Word Prediction option, go again to the top of the Kurzweil screen. Again, click on Tools, and then click again on the Word Prediction option to deselect it.